Okay, back on the pitcher pump installation, and now the cascading concept. I'm looking to have this water fall down onto some reservoir that cascades or has some type of down motion so that they can play with water boats and stuff, and just a little corral for them to play in. So I got this kids activity table. It's one of those magnet ones with the sand underneath, at a yard sale for $1, and I got it so cheap because that center part was all warped and damaged. But what I was looking for when I spotted this were these legs. So, and I'm actually going to even use these magnets as well. I didn't need that center part. I was just going to take it for that anyway. So here I am taking the legs off, and now I'm trying to position some planks here by screwing the legs together, and then I'll spread these legs throughout to make sure that it's nice and stable. But now I am putting the legs, attaching the legs to these planks, and I just haven't decided yet if this is too narrow of a space for the waterway to fall down. But I'm going to see how it looks and feel it out, and if I like it, then I'm going to just move on. I might decide to, instead of having something come up on the side, I might try and find a way to open this a little bit so that it's kind of angled, and I think that would give me that room that I want for them to be able to just play in that area. So I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do that where it's nice and secure. But for now, I'm just trying to see if I can get these legs to work with this project. And I'll come back and let you know how it's looking and see if we end up using it. I did get my little water flow connection set up in here, and I decided I had to go outside because I just couldn't get it to come right over here. So anyway, it's not fully installed yet, but this is just me kind of figuring out how that water flow is going to come in. That's where it drops, and the kids are going to be able to just turn this valve. This will be connected again all the way up and along up here to this pipe system, which is connected to my main valve here. So that's what's happening, and I'm ready to go with a water area here. I'm not connecting everything all the way just yet. Right now I'm just working backwards and figuring out where I need the water and how the water is going to flow. So this is exciting. This is fun. There's just a lot of materials to work with. This is a fun piece right here. I still haven't decided how I'm going to use it yet, but I see buckets being installed in these little grooves, and there's a handle here, and you're able to turn, when you turn the handle, the whole wheel spins. And I think I will take that handle out and put a PVC pipe there instead. And this part is what allows it to just move. So when they're turning this handle, the whole wheel is going to be moving, but I'll be able to keep it stationary by drilling a hole right through there and into the other side. It's hollow right here, but this black piece slides. And I can't demonstrate that right now because I'm holding on to the phone and I'm using just one hand. But anyway, so that's my idea for it, is some kind of spinning thing that goes into the water, and as you spin it, it has some kind of bucket, and when you spin it, the bucket gets filled up with water, and then it gets dumped back down, and it'll be suspended so that they can turn it with that handle. That was a yard sale find this weekend, and that was just $1.50. The kids found something fun with this that I might try and consider, though. Instead of my bucket thing, they found that by squirting the water with the water gun, that this moves. So maybe I'll create a little raceway with these where they're side by side and they have to squirt them down a channel and see who wins, who's comes in first, who places first. So I thought that was a good little idea on how to use that. So I'm not decided yet, but we'll have to come back and show you and see what we decide on it. But for right now, we're working on our channel system, where this pitcher pump can now catch water down onto, and we want it to be able to just flow right out onto a channel instead of directly onto that concrete, so that it then flows along this path. And then this way kids can work on this side or this side, playing in different with ducks or boats or whatever it is, little beach balls or spinning wheels. Actually, I think the spinning wheel would be narrow enough. I think it will be narrow. Oh, it will be. Oh, this might actually be, this could be a raceway with that. Anyway, so I'll get back to you and let you know what's happening once we get that next channel system installed. All right, bye.